Bising Bise. Now jetting in and all set. Ready for dispatch. Case wide open, raising up and away, Penrith, Wild Talk, Love to Death, rushing up, Bising Bise, while Breaking Bad is running in the tail of the field. Out of straight, they travel up and away, leads by some to our Penrith. Then 2 lengths back in third is Wild Talk, 4 lengths back, Bising Bise, Love to Death, and Breaking Bad. Into the back, they travel up and away. Giles in front, followed closely now by Penrith. 5 lengths away in third is Wild Talk, moving up, Love to Death, Bising Bise. Inside the last 600 up and away, still in front by half a length. And here comes Penrith now for the outside, 6 lengths in behind them. Love to Death, Wild Talk, Bising Bise, a long way back, Breaking Bad towards the last 300 up and away. Penrith now for the outside, and down to the finish, up and away. And Penrith on the outside, Love to Death, but it's still up and away, back to 3 lengths, leadable Penrith, Love to Death, and finally up and away. Penrith, Love to Death, Bising Bise, Wild Talk, and Breaking Bad.
Alright, number 1, Up and Away, crossing the Warpers. Inuna na ni Apprentice Mark M. Gonzalez. Then masisigundo ngayon 4 si Penrith. Then Love to Death, Bising Bise. 1, 4, 3, 6. Yan ang ating datingan. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 6.